My name is Oladejo Abdullahi Olasunkanmi, the team lead, IT and security consultant, Executive Solutions International Limited. Hello, good afternoon. This is the part 2 of the creation of a poster called OKZA campaign poster. It is interesting to know that everything we call graphic is all about the combination of text and images, the image and the text. So graphics is what we call combination of text and images. The item required for this project: you must have a concept in your mind before you start a design. And one of the concepts we have in our mind is to carry a background concept. We can have one or two backgrounds downloaded from the Google image. We need the party logo. We need the aspirant image, maybe one or two, because one may be used as part of background and one might be used as a real image. And we need a modern images of house, schools, markets, hospital. Each of these images is good with high resolution. Then the last thing there is our write-ups, which must be ready somewhere before we start, or we can have it in our head too, as the case may be. It is also important to know that light text goes on dark background and other way around, but where you must use light text on dark background, the text must therefore have an outline. Now let's start. All you need to enjoy and understand this class is to follow the steps. Number one thing we want to do is arrange all the images and files that you need in a particular folder. Call it work folder, call it anything. Just as you can see, we have the aspirant image, we have the background concepts we downloaded, the market, the school, the house, the party logo, and the hospital logo, which we'll be using throughout this project. First phase of the project requires you launching Adobe Photoshop. You can do that by going through your menu and go to Adobe Photoshop CX6. As you can see, either this or this will do the job based on your system. I think we are using 64 bits. According to my own system, I will use this. And if your operating system is 32 bits, then you are going to use this. Once we launch the Adobe Photoshop and it's fully ready, the next thing we want to do is to create a new canvas which carries the basic background. So go do that by going to Files, File, New. We can define what we want, call it OKZA poster, and leave everything like this. We have 12 inches by, let's say, 16 inches height, and we want it transparent background as the case may be. Then we say OK, and here is our new background without anything. Number 3 thing to do is create a new canvas, basic background, name it sketch board. This is where you will do some craft work before placing it on the main canvas. File, New, and we'll call that sketchboard. This is where we want to do some of our rough work. Okay, we have OKZA poster and we have our sketchboard. Now on the OKZA canvas, we want to rename the first layer in OKZA canvas, which is this layer, to canvas. We double click exactly on this layer to change it to canvas. Create few more layers and name them according to the available images in your work folder. So I will just go and say first canvas here and name it background 1. Another one, I name it background 2 because I already know what I want to do. Another one, I call it aspirant picture. Another one, I call it party logo. You can create few numbers like that for whatever you want to do, as the case may be. So the first thing I want to do now is to start the design. But note first, you must create a layer for every single action or object you are performing or adding in Photoshop Design for easy editing. You can use Ctrl-Alt-Z to undo or Ctrl-Shift-Z for redo any mistake you make. At this stage, it's important to know that the arrangement of your layers is very critical. For example, the topmost layer content appears over the next one and so on. So if you see that a particular object is covering the unwanted one, kindly switch the layer arrangement. Click on the layer named background concept 1, background 1.